Aloha Kauai. This is your County of Kauai briefing for Monday, July 12th. I'm Emergency Management Administrator Elton Ushio. COVID-19 is now spreading on our island. We've seen an increase in cases on Kauai, likely due to the Delta variant, gatherings around the 4th of July weekend, and decreased attention to wearing masks and distancing. Similar surges have been reported across the state and nationally. Today, the Kauai District Health Office is reporting 4 new cases of COVID-19. All 4 cases are residents, 3 adults and 1 child. The source of infection for one of the cases is mainland travel, and the other remaining 3 are community acquired. Only one of today's community acquired cases is a close contact of a previously announced case. The other 2 have no known source of infection. Today's cases bring the number of active cases to 33 and 469 cumulative cases. 1 Kauai resident remains hospitalized at this time. All active cases are in isolation and close contacts are being identified, offered testing, and directed to quarantine. The team at the Kauai District Health Office has been working hard to identify and isolate all of the infected individuals. For the latest on this situation, we turn to Public Health Preparedness Planner Lauren Guest.
Thanks, Elton. Over the weekend, we announced 13 new cases, and in the past week, a total of 36 cases, plus 4 more today. Most of the cases are in residents. Most of them are from community spread, and most of them are in unvaccinated individuals. Some of the cases are close contacts of previously announced cases, and others have no known source of infection. This is concerning. It means that COVID-19 is spreading more widely in our community, as it is statewide. If you have symptoms, isolate yourself immediately and arrange to be tested for COVID-19. Don't risk getting friends and loved ones sick. You can call your doctor to order a test and get results the same day. If you travel, please get a free test 3 to 5 days after you return. Free testing is available at the convention hall weekdays from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m., no appointment needed. For more information, visit kauai.gov/COVID-test. Wearing a mask is required indoors and recommended if you're around others outdoors. If you haven't already, please protect yourself and our community by getting vaccinated. Vaccines are our most effective tool against COVID-19, including the Delta variant. Vaccination protects you from severe disease and death. Statewide, 58% of residents are now fully vaccinated, and 65% have gotten at least 1 dose. Thanks to everyone who came out to our pop-up vaccine clinics over the weekend, including 55 people at our event in Keikaha.
Mahalo, Lauren. For those of you who have been vaccinated, mahalo. My wife and I are vaccinated, and 2 of my kids who are eligible, ages 12 and older, are vaccinated. I'm happy to know that we are all protected from this deadly disease. And by our being vaccinated, I'm happy to know that we are also protecting our 8-year-old child, who is too young to be vaccinated at this time. You can walk into most Kauai pharmacies, clinics, and hospitals for a free vaccination today. We do need everyone's help to protect our community. A list of locations is posted at kauai.gov/vaccine. More pop-up clinics are scheduled around the island for adults aged 18 and older. This Saturday, July 17th, we will be at the Kaumakani Community Hall from 8 to 10 a.m. and Anainaho Farmers Market in Kilauea from 9 to 11 a.m. Next Friday, July 23, you can stop by the Humane Society after work. A clinic will be open from 4 to 6 p.m. And next Saturday, July 24th, Rob's Good Times Grill will be offering a $10 gift certificate for the first 50 who register. The clinic at Rob's will be open from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. To register for any of these events, call 808-938-0938. Walk-ins will also be accepted. Anyone who needs a ride to the clinic can call the hotline for assistance. Multi-language assistance is available upon request. For children aged 12 and older, we will have a clinic at the Kukui Grove Back to School Bash on July 24th from 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. They can also get the Pfizer vaccine at Wilcox, Mahilona, or KVMH, and at the Lihui Safeway and Longs. For more information on where you can get a vaccine any day of the week, please visit kauai.gov/vaccine. The state is offering another round of prizes and discounts for anyone who has been vaccinated in Hawaii. Details at highgotvaccinated.com. Kauai is now in Tier 5 on the Business and Recreational Guidelines tier chart. Restaurants, bars, buses, museums, and other attractions can now operate at 75% capacity. Social gatherings are allowed up to 25 people indoors and 75 outdoors. Once the state reaches 70% fully vaccinated, we will eliminate the tier chart and its restrictions. Please help us reach 70% by getting vaccinated. To view Kauai's tier chart, visit kauai.gov/COVID-19. Heads up! If your license or ID expired during the pandemic, you will need to get it renewed within the next month. Governor Ige's emergency proclamations have included automatic extensions for expired driver's licenses, learner's permits, and state IDs. But he has indicated that August 6th will be the last extension. As of August 6th, late penalties will be enforced. This week only, our driver's licensing division is offering extended hours for renewals. If your license, permit, or state ID expired on or after March 16, 2020, you may come to the driver's licensing division for service between 4 p.m. and 4:45 p.m. through Friday, July 16th. No appointments are necessary, and customers will be assisted on a first-come, first-served basis. To ensure service, it is recommended to get in line early. Mahalo for wearing your masks when indoors. Wash your hands, keep your distance, avoid large gatherings, and of course, consider getting a vaccine. Mahalo for helping to keep Kauai safe. As a reminder, I got vaccinated. Hi got vaccinated. Aloha.